he's aware that he's seeing that the wood, this wood. He described something yesterday that was very different about the pores. Ask him about that and then translate that.
A parte dos poros. A constituição molecular do teto.
Você estava aí.
Buracos.
Parecia uma espuma.
It looks like a foam when he's approaching, going through the roof.
When did that happen? When did it cease to look like that?
Em que momento você viu o teto parecendo como uma espuma?
Passou o teto, isso foi muito rápido, né? Então,
it was very fast.
Eu bati a minha cabeça e pegou justamente numa viga de 6x12 que fez assim. Aí eu pensei, puxa, será que eu vou conseguir atravessar isso? Aí foi onde eu vi, pegou nos meus olhos.
Como é que é trazer uma viga? Como é que é trazer uma viga? One of the pillars that sustain the roof in between, the thick one, that supports the whole ceiling. Because some of them are thicker and bigger, others are thinner and smaller.
You went to the structure.
He's exactly one of those thick ones.
So he's already through the wood.
And he's questioning himself, well, am I going to make it?
Okay, and so he's going through the wood, and then he sees the
That's
pores.
exactly when he sees the pores.
The foam is above.
Yes.
And those structures don't look like foam above the wood, do they?
Essa estrutura parece também espuma fora disso?
Wait, let me clear that.
Because I'm trying yeah.
Quando você viu a espuma, foi antes de você tocar a madeira do teto ou foi quando você passou a madeira?
Eu bati quando meu olho, meus olhos entrou.
Tá, aqui está o teto, né? Esse teto de madeira. Quando você fez assim, ó, pum, bateu no teto. Quando toca no... Okay. It's when he touched the wood that he saw the foam.
That's what okay, that makes more sense.
It's when he touches the wood.
Because at the moment of going through matter is when there should be a perception.
Exactly.
Yes.
Okay.
But we do not use foam. So we have no insulation in the ceiling.
Yeah. It's the wood. That's
it's
what I was
wood.
trying
Exactly.
to...
It's the wood.
Exactly.
And when he's going through the, now what looks like foam, does he remember anything changing in his sense? Eyes, ears, anything.
Você sente mudança das percepções quando você está exatamente atravessando o teto?
Não brilha mais, parece que estou ouvindo tudo à minha volta. As pessoas estão...
It alters all his perceptions.
Yeah.
He feels that he's amplified. He can hear more, even at a long distance. He can see more.
He could hear the people talking, screaming. He could hear
the
all his
conversation.
senses
Você
were
ouvia a conversa das pessoas embaixo, né? He could hear the conversation of people down here.
And when he's seen as well?
E você via também as pessoas
Sim,
embaixo? E he could see the people down.
Porque quando eu cheguei a uma certa altura, então a própria luz me virou. É como se eu fosse de pé.
Yeah, when he's at a certain point when he's rising up to the craft, the light changes him and puts him standing
upright, in an upright position.
So he's very comfortable, paying attention to
He
everything.
could see everything. Você podia mexer assim?
Sim, eu mexia, mas assim com não muita agilidade, né?
He could move, but not so fast.
E não sentia respirar muito perfeito.
And he felt that
like
he
a lack of
breathe
oxygen.
so much, yeah.
As if there was oxygen missing. It was as if the air was
dificuldade
little
ou
oxygen.
necessidade.
Hard to breathe.
Yes. Tinha uma pressão?
Imagina como você está num ambiente que só você sozinho exala um gás carbônico e não consegue ter muito oxigênio para você respirar.
It's like when you're in a room, in a tight room, that you exhale a lot of carbon gas.
Right.
And when you breathe, there's not much.
Right, and you feel like you're not breathing.
Yes, it's like a choke.
And now what happens as he's rising the beam? What is the next change?
E aí, você está subindo e qual é a próxima mudança?
A próxima mudança, eu assim, quando eu vi o pessoal, né, assim, eu fui me distanciando, em seguida eu olhei para cima e vi o fundo da nave. Eu vi o fundo dela mais violento do que esse aqui, mais fechado.
So he's rising up and then he's standing position and he could see people down and he could hear people talking and then he looks up and he sees the bottom of the craft, which was even more purple.
Was a stronger,
darker purple.
Was a stronger violet color.
Is it this?
Sim.
And this is what you went through, right here.
E foi, você entrou por aí.
Entrei por aqui,
That is exactly where he went through.
Okay. When he comes through there, what's next?
E aí quando você atravessa isso, o que é que acontece?
Quer dizer, aqui nesse pavimento aqui, assim, eu fiquei de pé, a própria, todo mundo trouxe e se fechou, mas eu fiquei de pé no próprio dozinho.
So he goes through it, and as he's already inside the craft, the button closes, and he's standing there comfortably.
Foi quando um deles me apontou para mim entrar, aí
And
deve ser eles lá.
one of the beams pointed a direction to him that he should go
To a cylinder.
Is the being
E o
that
ser
pointed to him
que apontou para você a
this
direção.
one?
Sim,
Yes.
This being.
sim.
All right, just a second. Pause for a second.